Hello, since I already got this motor apart, I'm going to teach you how to test if the spark plug is good. Alright, you want to remove that. If it produces any sparks, that means good. Okay. There's no oil, no nothing, it's just, okay. So, after you remove the spark plug, you want to put it back on, and then you want to touch the ground of anything, the metal. And hold on, let me see, right there. And if it produces any spark, I mean it's good. Can you see it? Spark plug is good. There's spark. Look right there. So there's nothing wrong with the spark plug. Alright, thank you for watching my video. That's how you test the spark plug. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.